Yama everyone, it's Kylie Captain here. I'm so excited to bring to you the Deadly Writing Festival happening on the 22nd of May this year. It's about deadly dreaming, deadly stories, and deadly writing coming to classrooms right across the nation. Our lineup is incredible. We have the most amazing group of storytellers and dedicated people here to support your students and staff to engage in the longest living surviving culture in the world. It's all about honouring the stories of our elders, culture, country, community, languages. You're going to hear lots and lots of themes that can be linked to our reconciliation theme events, NAIDOC events, and importantly, the resource doesn't just happen on that one day. You're going to be provided with an abundance of resource so that you can keep that learning happening all year round. It's a national program that harnesses the wisdom of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, cultures, and their resilience, and importantly, their stories, because we believe that our stories matter and that everyone should hear our stories and keep our culture alive for generations. The Deadly Writing Festival is about inspiring students to embrace and share knowledge by keeping our stories alive and culture alive for future generations. It's a deadly collaboration through myself, Dream Big Education, Wellbeing and Consulting, and Littlescribe. We have a deadly lineup including Jasmine Seymour, Thomas Mayo, the deadly Corey Tutt. Our host is the wonderful Luke Carroll, deadly fella. I'll be running a workshop. We have our beautiful, incredible illustrator, James Foley. And just announced is my deadly sister, Gayala Bales. She's going to be joining the lineup. So get very excited about her beautiful storytelling on the day as well. Some of the themes that will come throughout the Deadly Writing Festival are things about languages, our elders, connecting to culture, country, community, leadership, resilience, goal setting, STEM. It's going to be an amazing day, and you have the opportunity to be part of this very first event. You'll be provided with curriculum-aligned resources, so students will engage in deep knowledge with all of the resources that they need to keep this learning going all year round. We can't wait to see you there.